Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Minecraft. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open and launch game Minecraft like me. The principle is same on real Minecraft and Minecraft TL launcher. Go here on options and you will see here video settings. Click on it. Move here to graphics and choose like me fast. Move here to chunk builder and set it like me. Move here to smooth lighting, switch this off. VSync, turn this off too. Click here full screen on. Move here to reduce FPS, click on it and switch here like me minimize. Switch this off. Move here to resolution and set resolution like me. Go here on max FPS, choose like me, set it on 60. Render distance, set it on 8 and simulation distance, set it on 8 too. Set FX on 50% and particles set on minimal. After that, go here to done and you have the best settings in Minecraft. After this, go here to task manager and you will see Minecraft use less of your CPU and GPU too. I show you one more boost. Press on Windows button and type system configuration. Just open it, move here on boot, click here advanced option, click here number of processors, check this and set maximum like me. And go here OK. Hit apply and one more time OK. Restart your PC. After that, launch Minecraft or TL launcher and enjoy playing your game like me. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best settings in Minecraft for FPS and optimizations. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.